Today is the start of a new series on my channel, and we're going to start it off by building this 318 CNC router, which I've actually got a laser attachment for it as well. So we'll unbox it and we'll build it. Multi-plug adapter. This is very, very heavy, very thick aluminium. Well, nice pair of laser green glasses. I'll have to check those out. We've got an Australian conversion to multi-region plug. The actually very well presented instructions. Very well presented instructions. Very nice. So what have we got here? Oh, this is the laser module. Well, we won't open that yet. That's the main Arduino board, and we've got a little desk there where I would suspect the programs are on. Software. Oh, look, full set of cutters. Oh, things are really looking up. We've even got a decent set of clamps. That's a real decent set of clamps. No plastic rubbish, dare I say. Okay. We won't be needing that. Oh, we even got supplied zip ties. Nice touch. We'll put that there for the moment because we won't be needing that, as this is the mechanical part of it, I suppose. A standard block 240, let me see, 240, 100 volt to 240 volt, and it's 50 and 60 cycles, and the output is 24 volt DC 5 amp. That's a nice little power supply. The same sort of power supplies you get for a computer, actually. And yeah, that's all actually okay. We have stepper motors, a little NEMA 17 stepper motors, 2, and the third one is already set on this. And actually this is a big improvement. This is not 3D printed. This is injection molded. So this is a big step in the right direction. Very nice little unit, that. Putting back in there. Oh, this is the standard little DC motor. I think that's about 100 watts. And we have some fasteners. Oh, big bag of fasteners. All teeth slot lock nuts. Washers, everything. Oh, that's good. Good little pack. I won't unpack this for the moment because that'll be the second part of it. Building. What do we got here? Okay, we've got the drive screws. Let me get a pair of cutters. One long, one short. Yeah, what they've done is this is all injection molded. This is not 3D printed at all. That's a very, very big improvement. The drawings are very well made. In fact, by what I can see at the moment, everything is very, very well made. It's all die-cast aluminium and not 3D printed. In fact, this is all injection molded. This is the highest class of 3018 that I have seen so far. Okay. Everything is packaged really well. It's obvious that these larger T-slot nuts are for the bed, so we can put those aside. They're the screws that actually go with the bed as well. There's some little tiny screws there. I'm not quite sure where they go yet, but I'm sure the instructions will tell me. And these, I would say, go with this large amount of T-nuts to assemble the main chassis, which is what we're going to do first. Incidentally, they do supply a set of Allen keys as well. By what I can see at the moment, this is a top kit. So let's start building it.